Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2011 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja. This bike's got just a little under 9,100 miles on it. It's got a very light tip over on the left side, which I'll show you when we walk around, and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. But overall, this bike is in great condition. Like I said, it's been tipped over on the left, but it was pretty gentle. So I'll show it to you as we go around. Got a Hot Bodies double bubble windshield on it. Front tire is in excellent shape. It's got CRG adjustable levers. And Vortex frame sliders. It also has a fender eliminator and a custom tail kit on it. You can see by the back tire it's in excellent shape as well. Got a lot of miles left on them. So here's where there's a little tip over damage. There's a little spot on the edge of the tank. Here on the fairings. And a bit down here. But like I said, it's pretty minimal. Oh, I missed the engine cover. There's a spot on the engine cover too. Adjustable CRG lever. But like I said, overall this bike's in great condition. Just a little bit of scuffing on this left side. Alright, let's show you the miles on it now. 9,050 is what's on it. Oh, this also has a little shorty exhaust pipe on it, which you'll hear when I fire up, along with the tank pad. This ZX6 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. We'll also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.